Hey guys, just out front of my house here. It's not a very nice day, but the Excalibur is so easy. Sonny, 7-year-old, can use it with ease. So it's a family sport, it's good for fitness, and a 7-year-old's having fun. And who knows, he could pull up a ring. Now, the coil's just a little bit heavy for him, but he's still, if he comes across something, he's going to hit it. He's going to tell Dada. And just a quick one too. When you buy the Excalibur and some Minelab machines, you end up getting this rubbish fines bag here. And to start off with, I thought it was really cheap and nasty and I didn't like it, but I'll tell you what, it is the best bag for carrying, end up with your sinkers and all these heavy bits of crud. It holds out really good. So I've gone through one of those packets already, and I ended up getting that off Tim Freddo. He didn't use his, so I've grabbed his now because I've nearly destroyed my last one after a year. Awesome bags, good for picking up all the crap. So when you're metal detecting, fill your holes in and take all the rubbish that you find, keeping Australia clean. Awesome, one of the best sports in the world, I'd be reckoning anyway. What do you reckon? You got something beautiful?
Yeah.
Give us a sound, give us a listen. See, the Excalibur. Even a 7-year-old could use it. Thumbs up for the Excalibur. It's definitely a thumbs up for the Excalibur. Alright, I've got to go get this scoop and go start digging, because I'm the digger man apparently. Alright, we'll let you know what we find.